Okay, I'm going to talk. Short story. For a little while, I was looking on. Actually, a short story. We were at a local store, and they were, I guess, consignment store is what you'd call it, I guess, and different boutiques and stuff. And these people had globes in there that were crazy expensive. And I honestly hadn't had a globe in a long time, so thought it was kind of fun to pick one up. So we went on Goodwill.com, which learning more and more about in this learning process of buying and stuff. And it's probably not the best way to do it, to be honest, but a learning step, a learning process. And here's a globe. So we're going to do a quick unboxing for it, just so my partner here can see what I did with my hard-earned money.
Yes, there's always something showing up on our front porch. Every day, it's always a surprise.
Always a surprise. So, there we go. Look at that Goodwill. Let's see how it packed. Oh God, it's bigger than I thought. It's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, that's what she said.
No. That's actually pretty huge. Okay.
Okay, wow.
Wow. Okay. So,
that's very nice. And how much did you pay for that?
I paid $4 plus shipping. So probably about less than $20.
Okay. And is that the stand for it?
It's the stand for it.
Okay.
Here's the thing that it holds it.
Ah.
And somewhere in here, I'm guessing there's another piece, maybe. There's probably the bolts of everything. Let's put this back.
Wow. Let's hold that up.
Yeah.
People can see.
It's a little bit bad. It's a huge globe.
Looks in fairly good condition.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Let's open this up real quick. Guessing this is where they put some bolts. So I'm guessing, let's move this. Guessing what we have to do, I'm gonna take this apart again later and probably clean it up. Like so.
Right.
Used to go the other way around, but so, and then we'll do it again for the third time. We'll figure this thing out.
It's very nice. It's one on the larger side. Don't say it.
That's what she said. I have to say it. I can't not say it. We're
having fun with that.
We are both avid Office fans. Any opportunity to say that's what she said, and we will. Okay.
Okay. That's very nice. I think that'll polish up very well.
Yeah. So then we'll.
And what do you think that we should resell for that?
I have no idea. It's pretty big.
Let me see if it spins.
I really don't know.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna have to do our research. Again, this is all part of the learning process.
Right.
I think this may be too big for somebody to even buy.
It's very nice. It would look good in someone's office, and
it would. Look good in the corner. Maybe even convert it into some kind of stand instead of it being small like this. We could put it on some kind of stand and make it more of a higher item.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Good Goodwill find.
For that price.
Yeah.
Yeah, shipping's a little expensive, and again, that's just something we're learning. So probably won't do this again.
Yeah.
But
all right.
I like it.
Excellent.
All right.